If you use iPhone, today I'm going to show you how you can change your default browser. You may have noticed that the default browser on iPhone is Safari. Now let's say you have downloaded Google Chrome, Firefox, Brave or any other browser. But every time you click on a link, it opens using Safari. You may want every time you tap on the link, open it using the browser that you have downloaded. For that to happen, you need to set that browser as the default one. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set the browser that you like as the default one on iPhone. Hi everyone, I'm Wilson. Welcome to the channel. If this video helps you, don't forget like, share it and subscribe to the channel. This way, you won't miss any upcoming video. Without further ado, let's get started. If you don't have the browser that you like installed on your iPhone, the first thing you have to do is to install it. To install an application, you have to do it through the App Store. On your device, find the App Store. Mine is right here. Tap there. And right here, tap on the search tab. Here at the top where you have the search bar, tap the name of the browser that you want. In this case, for this tutorial, we are going to use Google Chrome. So I'm going to tap here, Chrome. You can see here the option Google Chrome. I'm going to tap there. It will search for Google Chrome. Right here at the top, you see Google Chrome, and I have the option to open. I have the option to open because I already have Google Chrome installed on this device. In your case, you have the option to download it. So download it to install it. Once you're done with this, go back to the home screen. In my case, you can see here that I have Google Chrome next to the Safari browser. Now let's set Google Chrome as the default browser. On your iPhone, tap on the settings app. Mine is right here. I'm going to tap there. Inside the settings app, scroll down under the apps section, find Google Chrome. My Google Chrome is right here. Tap there and you can see here you have all these three options at the top, and right here in the middle you have the option to set the default browser. In this case, you can see here mine is Safari. So tap there and right here you will see all the browsers installed on your iOS device. In my case, I have Safari, I have Brave and I have Chrome. I want to set Chrome as the default one, and to do that I'm going to tap on Chrome and you can see that tick move from Safari to Chrome and you are already done. The next thing to do is just go back, tap on this top left arrow to go back, tap again to go back to the settings, and you are done. You have set Google Chrome as your default browser. The other way to set Google Chrome as your default browser is by going through the Safari browser, which is the main browser on your iOS device. Let me show you. If you go to Safari right here as the default app, you will see Safari right at the top. You don't have to scroll all the way down. Tap on Safari and you will see inside Safari here, one of the options you have right at the top is the default browser app, and this one is set to Chrome. If you tap there, you can see that you have all the options that you had when you clicked on Chrome. And right here, you can tap on Safari to go back and set Safari as your default one, or you can select another browser. In this case, I can select Brave. But right now, I'm gonna go back again and set Chrome. If you're done with that, tap on the top left arrow, tap again to go to the main settings page. This is how you can set the browser that you like as the default one. Well everyone, that's all for this video. If this video helped you, don't forget, like, share it and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.